Hello friend, welcome to the Pure Mathematics channel, Math for Beginners, Arithmetic, class 26. Title, percents. Actually, it is very important in all of, branch of knowledge. We can use percent. We define here the definition of percent. A percent is a fraction that is its denominator is 100, which is denoted by this sign. It means out of 100. Actually, percent represent parts of whole. Parts of whole. Or counting a number based on number 100 is called percents. Example, we now solve the example of a percent. First, we have some formula we want to write here. It is the formula whole 100 parts percent. Example 1. What is 15% of 200? We want to count this. We want to solve this question. Solve. 15% of 200, how much is it? We have whole number is 200. We can write 3 and 200. 200, 100. Parts here is unknown, but percent is 15. Now easily we can find x. X is equal to number of verses of cross of x come to the denominator. 200 multiplied by 5, 20 finished. 2 multiplied by 5, 10. 15% of 200 is 10. It is the solution. Example 2. 20% of 25% of 300. We want to find this. Okay. Whole, we have whole 300, 100, 25. It is x is equal to 100 with 300 multiplied by 5, 25. 0, 0, 5 multiplied by 3, 25 multiplied by 3, 75. 25% of 300 is 75. Example 3. 25% of what number is 6? We want to find that number which its 25% is 6. Here the whole is unknown. Actually, whole, we had a formula whole 100 parts percent. Here Now, whole is unknown. We can write x. Parts is 6. 600. Percentage we have 25. Then x is equal to 25. We can write the denominator. It is across to 5. 6 multiplied by 100. If we divided 100 by 5 4 times, it is equal to 6 multiplied by 5, 24. X is equal to 24. Example 4. Example 4. What percent of 40 is 28? Here whole is 40, 100, then part is 28. Here percent is unknown. X is equal to 40, 28 multiplied by 100. 0, 0. 28 divided by 4, 7. Now 7 multiplied by 10, 70. 70%. 70% of 4 is 28. Example 5. Example 5. 15% of 60 is what number? 50% of 60 is what number? Now we want to find 50% of 60. Here 60 is a whole number. 15 is parts is unknown. Percentage is 15. X is equal to 100. 60 multiplied by 15. 0 cancelled by 0. It is divisible by 5. 2. 10 divided by 5, 2. 3. 2. 6 divided by 2. 3. 3 multiplied by 3, 9. The 15% of 60 is 9. It is the answer. Question 6. Example 6. Here is an example. Example 3. It is a little different. A poll was conducted by a local newspaper asking if the governor was doing a good job. 60,000 people were polled. If 2,400 people said that approved of the job the governor was doing, what percent of people polled disapproved? So those people which they are agree with governor, to the number of them are 24. So total we have 6,000, and approved 2,400. Disapproved approved how much? 6,000 minus 2,400 is equal to 0, 0. Here 10 minus 4, 6. Here we have 5 minus 2, 3. 3,600. Now we want to find the percent of disapproved. We do not care about approved pupil, because they asked about percent of the pupil pulled disapproved. Now we want to find the percent of 3,600 from 6,000. the whole number is 6,000. It is part 6,000 4,000 3,600. It is 100. The percent is unknown. X is equal to the number across 6 is equal to across x is equal to 6,000. 3,600 multiplied by 100. These two zero with this two zero cancel. 0 cancel by 0. 6 divided by 6 1. 36 divided by 6 6. 0, it is equal to 60%. 60%, which they are disagree with governor, the job of governor, which governor cannot do his job very well. So that here is another example. John's salary was 30,000 per year. If it went up by 1,500, what is the percent increase? Actually, the John salary is 30,000, so 1,000 per year, 1,500 he increased his salary. So now we want to find the percent, how many percent his salary increased. We have whole number, whole quantity 30,000, 100, here 1,500 per year, 1,500. Here the percent is unknown. X is equal to 30,000 comes to denominator, and 1,500 multiplied by 100 can write on numerator. It is equal to 0 0 0 0, cancel it by this 4 0. Here we have 5 15, here we have 3 1, 5 times 3, it is equal to 5% increase his salary. Question 8. Here I bought a car for $10,000. When I sold it, I got 3,000. What was the percent decrease? Actually, when I buy a car in a high price, then I sold in less price. Actually, here on my salary discount decreased, so my money decreased. We want to find the percent of this decrease. Actually, the original amount is 10,000, and I got 3,000. Now how many thousand I lost? How many dollar I lost? Lost amount, it is equal to 10,000 minus 3,000. It is equal to 7,000. 7,000. Now 7,000 is amount. 7,000 100. Sorry, 10,000 is amount. Original amount is 10,000. 7,000 I lost. 7,000 I lost. What is the percentage? X is equal to 10,000. 7,000 multiplied by 10. 0 0 0, cancel it by 0 by 0. X is equal to here we also have another 0 0. 70 multiplied by 10, 70%. 70% I lost my salary. It is the solution of this example. Next lesson is discount. We will explain in next lecture the title of discount. Thank you.